today's WWE, Gunther is known as the ring general, a fitting name for a savvy in-ring veteran whose cunning tactics and ruthless execution are razor sharp.
Few superstars are as commanding between the ropes as Gunther. No wasted movement, no foolhardy attacks. Gunther is the very picture of steadfast control.
I'm sure the ring general is intent on taking full command of this match and forcing things to go his way.
But standing across the ring is John Cena, a superstar who lives for the WWE Universe. Nothing gets Cena more fired up than the live crowd.
And the crowd feels the same way about Cena, Saxton. It's a symbiotic relationship that has only propelled Cena to the highest points in WWE. When this crowd gets going, so does Cena. And when Cena gets going, there's no one better. Caught with a punch. Switching into the side headlock. Switching things up, taking control of the waist here. Oh!
And able to get out of that and apply a chin lock. The larger-than-life Cena being brought back down to earth.
Yeah, Gunther just ramped up his intensity. Oh, ouch!
Oh, attacked in the midsection.
Put in the corner now.
Knife-edge chop echoing through the arena. Corey, what do you think are the chances of taking Cena down here?
2 words, Cole. Ruthless aggression. Some might say Cena doesn't have quite that edge and hunger he once had early in his WWE career. It would help to tap into that.
Oh, nice scoop roll up for the win. Stops the ref count before 2.
He's far from finished.
Uh-oh, monkey flip.
I love it.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt.
Oof.
You can't see him.
We saw that being telegraphed. Golly, that sounded rough. Oh, emphatic chop.
Oh, look at just ripping at the eyes.
Now, that was a very questionable attack. I think it goes beyond any gray area. Gets out of the way of that one.
Gunther just beheaded him with that lariat. Stomp to the guts. Oh, an insult to injury. In the hard way.
An uninterrupted surge against Cena here.
And this is how you tap into that ruthless aggression. Cena's at a clear disadvantage here.
Gunther cuts him off.
Nasty kick.
Well, fiery lariat.
Knee drop.
Clawing the face. Is this necessary?
Ripping at the eyes. Ooh. Oh, did you hear that? German suplex.
Just mocking their opponent right now. Total disrespect.
Gunther is performing with such precision right now.
Cena having trouble getting his bearings.
Counter right when it was needed. Guys, I think he just got busted open.
Oof, yeah, that does not look good.
Can he continue like this?
Just like that, Cena gets intercepted. He counters with a great reversal.
These two going strike for strike, it seems. Two titans trading strikes and refusing to back down.
Back and forth, neither one giving up any ground.
Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up.
toe-to-toe, treating each other like heavy bags. Ooh! This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders.
Gunther now from behind.
Locking in the Gojira clutch. This one could be over.
Expertly executed hold right on the neck. Trying to escape, and yes, he's able to get free from that submission hold.
Drop kick with precision. Well-placed boot ends that. Uh-oh. Gunther ready for that one. Gunther with his opponent all the way up. A powerbomb.
The ring general showing off his power.
Driven down with the powerbomb.
John Cena won't come back from that.
Here's the pin. Breaks the close count.
Almost inhuman at this point.
Gunther catches him by surprise.
He's in a bad spot.
And uses the arm drag to reverse. Climbing the turnbuckles to the top. Look out.
And avoids taking any damage.
Drop kick on target.
Oh, emphatic chop.
Gunther.
Delivered again. Just ended now.
Gotta be running low, guys. I don't know what his game plan is now.
Anything can happen in WWE, and this audience is seeing that firsthand.
The entire WWE Universe is going to have to pick their jaws off the floor after this one's done.
Saw it coming. It counters it.
Oh, gripping the
Jaw! My goodness! That's insulting.
Neck breaker.
very nice.
John Cena. Powerbomb. Deep into this battle, and Cena is still doling out damage.
All of Gunther's work is being broken down by the second. He's in some real trouble. From the top.
This is a man possessed.
From the top, the leader of the C Nation.
Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace. 2. He kicks out at 2.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3.
John Cena, submission move in. The STF.
TF submission applied.
Whoa, wait a second.
What a counter.
Everyone watching this is on pins and needles. What a match.
A battle for the age.
Slowly moving. I'm sure he can feel the target on his back here.
He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd.
Caught an elbow to the gut for that effort. Oh, what a clubbing blow.
Boom! Brutal impact into the corner.
Headed out, but needs to be aware of the referee's count.
We all know what is going through their head here.
Yep. Destruction, carnage, annihilation.
Yeah, but they should be thinking about this coming out of their paycheck.
I do not like where this is going. I can tell you where it's going, Saxton. Right through the table.
Oh, and a tune adjustment.
That was completely insane.
They won't cross.
And he gets set back into the ring. Cena plans in motion.
High.
Took it high risk, but was off the mark.
Into the lariat. Being taken to the top rope.
precarious position for both athletes. It's about to get worse for one of them.
Oh, this is unique.
From the top, half and half.
Gunther doesn't just want to fight, he wants to battle.
Oh, predicted what was coming. Every counter being answered with another.
An uppercut.
That'll cost some teeth.
Oh, Cena got caught with the reversal. Oh, uppercut.
That'll knock you silly.
Drop kick. Ooh, what a kick. Oof. Attacking the torso again, doing a little more damage.
That offense will definitely knock the wind out of him. I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single.
Gunther's got it locked in. Submission move here.
Good night.
Can John Cena find a...
And he decides to let his opponent.
Ring general deliver.
Perseverance being tested. Drops the elbow.
Dropping the knee.
Oh. That was a strong kick.
Hoisted up. Sets up his opponent for the last symphony. To the sky.
Oh, what a splash!
The ring general looking to end this, stepping through.
Oh, the elevator. He gives in and taps out. The look of defeat all over Cena's face.
I don't know if I'd say the battle scars were worth it, Cole, but I will say the one who did it to them isn't the one celebrating.